make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Just the two.
Introduction. As an assistant of product design engineering in New Tech Sendirian Berhad, we are required to perform reverse engineering of mechanical pencils that are already produced by our company. It is a New Tech Easy Pencil. This pencil was produced in the year 2018, received a lively response from buyers and wholesalers of this pencil, so the company wants to reproduce this mechanical pencil product again using reverse engineering method. Reverse engineering is perhaps the most accurate way to recreate the designs for items that went out of production decades beforehand. In cases where the original blueprints are long since lost and destroyed, reverse engineering is perhaps the only way to bring such products back to life. The access and obtainable from a working model of an old product can typically enable to trace the step of its design and use those insights to construct a new model, repair a part, or improve future products. Reverse engineering. Reverse engineering, sometimes called back engineering, is a process in which software, machines, aircraft, architectural structures, and other products are deconstructed to extract design information from them. Often, reverse engineering involves deconstructing individual components of larger products. The reverse engineering process enables to determine how a part was designed in order to recreate it. Companies often use this approach when purchasing a replacement part from an original equipment manufacturer. OEM is not an option. Reverse engineering is perhaps the most accurate way to recreate the design for the items that went out of production decades beforehand. In cases where the original blueprints are long since lost or destroyed, reverse engineering is perhaps the way to bring such products back to life. The access and obtainable from a working model of an old product can typically enable to trace the steps of its design and use those insights to construct a new model, repair a part, or improve future products. Problem statement and objective. For the problem statement, in the present era, we can see the advancement of technology, and the use of technology is used everywhere regardless of time or age. Many use mechanical pencils instead of regular pencils. New Tech tries to use reverse engineering methods to produce new and more advanced products. For objective, the purpose of reverse engineering is to facilitate the maintenance work by improving the understandability of a system and to produce the necessary documents for a legacy system.
Process reverse engineering. This is the first pencil produced by New Tech push button type. The wall is blue in color and relatively small size and successful use. Mechanical pencils are quite simple to use. With most of them, you just click the button on the end to fit out more lead whenever you need to. Retract the lead by holding the button in and gently pushing the lead in. When one stick of lead is used up, keep clicking until the next appears. When you're all out, just add more leads of the right size, usually through a hole under the button. Old New Tech pencil detail. Coil spring. The metal coil spring of a mechanical pencil provides the necessary tension to advance the lead. The chuck expands and contracts in concert with the spring, advancing the lead in small increments. Second, body part. This part of the body is made of plastic. On the inside of this body, there are several connections where the spring lead tube and chuck joint, making the lead pencil work and come out on the front. Third, push button. This push button is on the back. Its function is to be pressed to move the lead tube and spring coil for the lead pencil to be able to move forward. This makes it easier for the user to use this mechanical pencil. Number 4 is lead tube. This tube lead is in the body and is connected with a chuck, coil spring and push button. Its function is to store the lead pencil. Number 5 is chuck. The chuck expands and contracts in concert with the spring, advancing the lead in small increments. The tip of mechanical pencil, the lead sleeve, stabilize the lead stick during use to reduce instance of breakage. (3D model of NewTek pencil). The result of the 3D scan can give a 3D picture of the model of the old NewTek mechanical pencil. This is from side view. Second is from upper view. The last one is from front view. Dimensional detail and improvement. Improvement that have been made is we added pocket clip, being the visible element of mechanical pencil that is carried in the pocket of a shirt. The clip is its eye-catching treatment. With it perfect tension, the clip makes sure the pencil stay in place. This makes it indispensable. The material of the clip were made of carbon steel, so it will long lasting and can give more grip to the object we attach. Next, the pencil is attached with grip that are made of soft and high quality rubber and foam. A good pencil grip pattern allows the child to keep the waist steady and make small movement of the finger to move the pencil tip in different direction to create short, straight and curved line. The grip that we use ergo pencil grip, the most simple grip that make pen wider, making it easier to handle. 3 indentation placed around the grip allow the finger and thumb to fall naturally into position, making pen control easier and reduce fatigue. Finally, we add a quality eraser at the back of the pencil. The eraser produces less dust while erasing. The erasers are soft and we can use it for long terms. Environment. Economic. Can be used anywhere without any hindrance. Reduce the use of pencil. The use of pencil need to be sharpened before use, so the use of mechanical pencil can overcome the problem. The price given is very unfair as it is too affordable with the advantage of such a mechanical pencil. This product material is easy to obtain and can make a lot of production, so requests from the community can be resolved easily and quickly. Advantage to the community. This product is nice for those looking for an ergonomic mechanical grip pencil to have a nice looking and neater line. Its weight enable you to grip it without any texturing. This product is unique from other mechanical pencil because of having a cap. The cap uses for complete pocket safety and add one step to the preparing to write process. This product has a moderate price compared to its quality and feature it provides. It quite solid, which made it very comfortable to grip.
Ergonomic concept. Ergonomic pencils are made with special control to rest more comfortably in your hand. If you suffer from arthritis or other joint pain, look for a thick pencil that allows for a looser grip. The size of your hand will also affect the size of the stationery that is most suitable for you. Next, finding the right ergonomic pencil grip depends on your existing struggle. Grips vary in shape, firmness, and surface finish to help you deal with any problems. Mechanical pencil will need its lid extend several times over the course of a long writing session. Newer lid advancement mechanism like shaking or even bending the pencil body can reduce strain and introduce variety to your hand movement. If you prefer traditional top button mechanism, look for ones that take less force to click. Best mechanical pencil lid can walk you through the nitty-gritty. If you want to write with light pressure and still have a dark mark, you should look for a soft lid. But if you left hand or if you know your note will experience rough handling, get a mid-hardness lid that less susceptible for smearing. Sustainability, lifespan. No sharpening. If the lid is thin enough, you don't need to keep sharpening it. Just keep writing or drawing. Not only does it save time and effort, but sharpening can be messy. Consistent line width. When a wood case pencil is freshly sharpened, it writes a very thin line. As soon as you've written a bit, the line gets thicker and thicker. With a mechanical pencil, the line stays the same, so it's a more predictable tool. Consistent balance. As a wooden pencil gets shorter, the balance changes. Mechanical pencil don't change as you use the lid. It's not hugely important to everyone, but some artists find this make a big difference for them. Refillable. You don't throw away stuff. You just keep putting more lid in. There are no trees to be cut down. It can be argued that mechanical pencils are the most environmentally friendly option. If you use one for a long time, given that the lid usually comes packaged in plastic box. Though it's not a simple calculation to know which is better, but there are a lot to be said for a single tool you can use for years. Sustainable material. 1. Plastic body. The plastic body of a mechanical pencil is mainly made from high-impact ABS plastic. It is hard, tough, firm, durable, and possesses extremely better chemical resistance and dimensional features. 2. Plastic tube. The plastic tube found within the mechanical pencil is used to hold lid for a refill once the original tip is exhausted. 3. Eraser. An eraser is a detachable part of the pencil that made of rubber plug, which is fit at the lead rod at the back of the mechanical pencil. The eraser is used to remove graphite mark on paper or wood surface. The eraser may be white in color. 4. Metal. The lead advancing mechanism is made from metal that operate on a spring platform. As such, the user can press the pencil button located on the top to ensure that the spring press the graphite into a lock spot.
I'm down on my knees again. Thank you for the happiest year of my life.